Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad Go 2 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then we can open the settings. Now let's scroll all the way down to find System and Update and then tap on Backup and Reset. Here we have to tap on Google account and again remember about internet connection and tap on Next. Tap on Add Account and here you can choose who's going to use this device, so just mark the option, tap on the option, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password and let's tap on Next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And here tap on the Google account and now we can choose the content that we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both, it's up to you. I'll pick only this one and tap on Confirm. Now we can tap on other device data and here we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files and under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. So let's go back and to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.